Hey everyone, I'm Srinivas, .NET developer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a record from the particular table. So, as I explained before, we have two tables. One is parent and child, and in the parent table, the table has two rows, and we just saw the inserting into the table, update in the table, and now we are going to delete the rows from the table, right? So now I'm going to write a query for that. Delete from the table name is parent, where um, where name is something like John. It executes properly, but it will not, it don't delete, because uh, there is no record with the name is John, John. We have only Jon, right? So now we can delete it. You can see the John row is deleted. um, so when you delete some rows from table, so the important thing you should know, you must know, is you need to apply the where clause in a query, because by mistake, if you run these three words only, delete from table only, it will erase all the rows in a table. So keep in your mind. So it's very important, not only for SQLite. If you are using SQL Server, MySQL, or any other databases, queryable databases. So you need to be very careful when you delete some rows from the table. Yeah, I hope you can understand how to delete rows from the table in SQLite database tutorial. Yeah, thank you. The next video, I'll show you how to select columns, or specific columns, or all the columns, how to select the columns using joins, different joins. I'll show you in the next video. So thank you guys.